Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the cable. And what we've done is, and you can refer to the previous videos on how to remove the drum, how to remove the power feed if you're using it as well. We've pulled the cable completely out of the machine with the exception of the part that is fastened to the drum itself. So we have two 7/16 bolts here. So we're going to grab our impact and pull that out like so. Now we're going to go ahead and lay that on its back, and I'm going to pull off this clip, and we will slide that forward, and that will fall on the cable. It's okay. We'll take the second clip out, which holds the inner drum in place, and we'll pull the inner drum up and out of the way. Now, when you look inside here, you'll see a clamp that holds the drum in place. What I'm going to do is I'm going to force some of the cable back in there simply because it realigns the cable with the clamp. And at this point, I'm going to grab the guide tube and work that back and pull the cable out of the clamp. Once I have that established, then I can pull my cable out. Now to reinstall it, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and grab the cable, slide it back in the guide tube, and if you notice as I push that, the guide tube is turning. You want to leave, I don't know, maybe a foot of cable inside the drum, or a little bit more if you choose to. You'll take and align the cable and put it inside the clamp itself. And sometimes this takes a little bit of work. Slow that back out. There we go. And you want to leave about 6 or 8 inches of it past the end of the cable in the clamp. There we go. Now we'll turn this back over, and we'll go ahead and retighten our clamp bolts. So here we have our inner drum, and we're going to slide that in place. Notice that it has a cutout in it that's going to match the guide tube. So you'll slide that in place, make sure it settles down. Okay, you want to see the bottom area for the clip, and there are 2 different size clips here. You're going to take the larger one and snap it in place. That will hold in place. So here we have our bearing, which is basically a brass bearing. Okay, you're going to slide that over the housing, and then we will put our last clip in place. Make sure that it snaps in place as well.